I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like a candle. to me, and I hope you understand that I am not quite ready, but I think that soon I am. I know I like it, this thing, the way that you amaze me, but I'm scared as hell. This broken heart of mine is yours to keep at your place. And once you realize that all I need is you, soon you'll be in my arms. But until then, I hope you understand that I am scared as hell. This is quite new to me, and I hope you understand. You drag out the best in me, next to you is Wonderland. But I've got baggage, stories, things that almost wrecked me, and I'm scared as hell. This broken heart of mine is yours to keep at your place. And once you realize that all I need is you, soon you'll be in my arms. But until then, I hope you understand that I am scared as hell. I don't wanna live another day if you won't be there. And when I'm done with this, my heart will be complete. But I never thought that you could, and I'll never think that you can understand why I am scared as hell. This is quite new to me, and I hope you understand.